All right, I'm sorry, my thoughts straight. Last March, I had a bunionectomy, and my insurance company paid for it. I've had several problems with it throughout the year. They referred me to another doctor. He just this past week did the same surgery on the same foot and the same area, the same exact surgery. He input it in the system that it was an accident. So I got a letter from my insurance company saying that I had 30 days to fill out this form to tell them what kind of accident happened, or I'm responsible for the $12,000 bill. So do they need to go after the doctor they paid? You know what I'm saying? I don't understand how I get involved in that.
BJ says Giljo's going to take this.
Yeah, that's a tough one there. I mean, it sounds like it. I don't know that there's a medical negligence case there, but it sounds like if the doctor completed the report and indicated that it was an accident when in fact you actually had the same procedure redone, I think your first step might be to go back and revisit that doctor and say, I'm finding out that you listed that I had an accident and that's why I had this second surgery. And I think you might want to do that to try to get that procedure cleared up so that you don't get hit with that $12,000 bill.
Yeah, I don't mean to interrupt you. When I had the surgery, they asked me to fill out an accident form, like a police accident form. And I said, no, it's just a bunionectomy. It's the same one I had last March. And they just looked at me funny. And they went ahead and put it in the system as an accident anyway.
It may be that they're trying to just act like a reimbursement situation, where if you're injured in a car accident or medical malpractice, a lot of times your health insurance will try to come back and get the money that you ultimately recovered. That might be the scenario here. It's documented as an accident. The insurance company may think they have recourse against your recovery.
Yeah, exactly. So you may want to, again, go back to that doctor and explain exactly what's happening with the insurance company. And that, I think BJ is absolutely correct. Sounds like the insurance company is looking for a way to get some of their money back. And if it is an accident, they're going to be looking for a possible third party that caused that. So again, I think you've got to go back to your doctor and explain what the situation is with respect to the insurance company asking about this accident. And the doctor may have been doing that for a reason that may have been beneficial to you, I don't know, but it's something that looks like it may potentially backfire and cost you, the cost of the medical procedure, the $12,000.
Thanks for your question.
Opinions expressed on Law Call are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect the opinions of 13 WMAZ staff or management, nor any legal or judicial entity. The legal information supplied in this broadcast is general information only and is not intended to be legal advice for any given situation. Do not rely on broadcast information without consulting an attorney. Contingent attorney's fees refers only to those fees charged by the attorneys for legal services. Such fees are not permitted in all types of cases. Court costs and other additional expenses of legal action usually must be paid by the client.